Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, yesterday we have not posted any video or we didn't give any update in the evening market because we had festival, Ramzan festival we had, so we were busy in that. So today I have recorded one video and I have uploaded in the YouTube channel. And few of you had asked me the question how to trade when the market is holiday for the first session. Okay. Which means what? Yesterday the MCX market alone were open after 5 p.m. that is in the evening session. Now how to trade in such cases? See here I have taken the crude oil for example. I have added the indicators and I am keeping in default settings, that is reset settings. So now as per this, since yesterday market is not morning was not functioning, only evening were opened. So yesterday if you have used the default settings, so yesterday what happened, sell activated and we got some profit, then immediately SL got hit. Okay, immediately we will not be going for second buy because of the volatility in the evening session. We will be waiting for the confirmation that market has to close above our zone, okay, top zone, above zone, then we will go for the buy entry. So second time also sell activated and targets hit, again buy activated, targets hit, again sell activated, SL was safe, again it reached the buy level. So this is if you had used the default settings. But what we are telling, in a evening session market, how you have to trade, go to the indicator settings and come down, scroll down, and here you can see something called market type. Select market type. So there we have given plenty of options. Okay, by default it will be in a default mode. If it is a evening session, select evening session and give OK. That's all. Nothing else you have to do. So here see what happened. Exactly, sell activated first. The high made was 8059 at 545. Okay, at 545 the high made was 8059 and our sell entry was at 8057. So exactly sell activated. So now what we have to do, if sell activated there is no buy, if buy activated there is no sell until the SL hit, which I have already explained. So now come down and scroll and select first sell targets and remove everything. So now as per small targets, all the targets have been achieved immediately. Once again it went up to our sell entry and the high made was 8054, that is 3 points buffer point also we are giving. Exactly it has reversed to a sell entry, again it has fallen like anything. It did not cross above our buy zone. So now since small target, all the targets have been achieved, I am increasing the target size, that is to normal. In normal also all the targets perfectly hit. All the targets perfectly hit. If you want to see how it has given the target, I am replaying with the bar replay option. So you yourself see what had happened yesterday. So immediately our lines got formed at 8057 and high also made 8057, 8059. Perfectly our target got entry got hit and targets also hit immediately. And once again it is going and reaching our sell entry and it is coming down, and all the targets perfectly hit. See here, this is the perfection of our indicator. So this is how you have to trade. It is very simple. Now I give you one scenario. Suppose 8057 was our entry and instead of giving the target 7992, if it is going and hitting 8094, what you have to do? If it is a morning session, immediately you can go for the reversal entry in advance order. If it is a evening entry also blindly you can take second buy double lot at 8094. But we all know in the evening session the volatility will be very high. The volatility will be very high. To avoid any uncertain loss, what you can do, you can wait for any price action confirmation. Example R3C we have taught to you for our paid members, right? So that you can follow. That's all. So if you follow this method, you will never be in loss if you follow properly. Okay. Thank you all for watching our video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel, and please share to all your friends so that they will not lose in the market. They will learn from the market. Then they will earn from the market also. Thank you all. Bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead. So today, if anyone wants to see in the live market, so I will be posting a link for the live market also. You all can join. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.